Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to convert FLAC to MP3 using a simple method so you can play your audio files on more devices. Now let's get started. Step 1. First locate the FLAC file on your computer and right-click on the file to open more options, which allows you to view details and actions you can perform on it. Step 2. Click on Properties from the menu. It helps you verify details like file type, size, and location before starting the conversion. Step 3. In the Type of File section, confirm it shows FLAC file. This ensures you selected the correct audio format. Once confirmed, close the Properties box so you can continue with the conversion process. Step 4. Now open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can find it from the Start menu or desktop shortcut if it is already installed. Step 5. Click on Media in the top left corner of VLC and from the list select Convert. Save to access the conversion tool. Step 6. Click on the Add button. It opens a file browser window where you can navigate through your folders. Step 7. Browse to locate the FLAC file. Select it and click Open to add it into the conversion list. This step is important because VLC needs the exact file before it can process it. Step 8. Click the Convert, Save button at the bottom to move to the conversion settings window. This is where you choose the output format and destination. Step 9. In the Profile section, open the drop-down menu and choose Audio MP3. Selecting the correct profile ensures the file converts properly. Step 10. Click Browse to choose where the new MP3 file will be saved. Then enter a file name so you can easily recognize it later. Picking the right location helps you find the converted file quickly. Step 11. Click Save, then click Start to begin the conversion process. The time it takes depends on the file size and your computer speed. Step 12. After conversion, go to the selected location and open the MP3 file to make sure it plays correctly. This confirms the conversion was successful and the file is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.